How to change mouse DPI to 800. Now there are actually two specific ways in doing this process. The first method, if you're using a gaming mouse or a premium mouse, DPI setting is usually located beside the wheel field of your mouse. Simply tap and hold in it and you should be able to change your DPI. However, if you're using a standard mouse, all you have to do is to go into the Windows icon, go into settings, and then devices, then change it into mouse at the left portion of your screen. Then under related settings, go into additional mouse options. And to change or adjust your DPI, just simply go into buttons and then play along the specific speed right here and also on the pointer options. If you are satisfied with the specific amount of your DPI, just simply hit on apply and OK. And that's it. That's how you change your mouse DPI to 800.